Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing addition to the world of photography, the Nikon Z90. This isn't just another camera release. It's a groundbreaking leap forward that's set to redefine how we capture the world around us. With its incredible capabilities and innovative technology, the Nikon Z90 is the ultimate tool for photographers and videographers looking to elevate their craft. Let's start by exploring the star of the show, its 40-megapixel sensor. Imagine capturing photos that showcase unparalleled levels of detail with richer colors and stunning depth. Whether you're out shooting breathtaking landscapes, intricate architectural designs, or close-up portraits, this sensor ensures that every frame bursts with life. The Nikon Z90 doesn't just capture moments. It immortalizes them with clarity and precision that's hard to match. Revolutionary image processing for a new era. At the core of this marvel is Nikon's Speed 8 processor, a technological powerhouse that redefines speed and efficiency. This cutting-edge processor allows photographers to seize split-second moments with unmatched precision. Its lightning-fast response time ensures that every shot you take feels intuitive, immediate, and absolutely seamless. This advanced processor doesn't just stop at speed. It also enhances dynamic range, reduces noise in low-light environments, and processes images with astonishing clarity. Whether you're navigating challenging lighting scenarios or capturing high-action sequences, the Speed 8 ensures your photos are flawless, sharp, and ready to impress. Next-level autofocus that tracks every detail. For those who love precision, the Nikon Z90's 493 autofocus points deliver a revolutionary experience. Covering nearly 90% of the frame, the autofocus system locks onto your subject with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Whether you're photographing wildlife in motion, sports events, or a bustling cityscape, this system ensures your subjects remain sharp and focused. The standout feature? Eye detection AF. This intelligent system tracks even the subtlest movements, ensuring your subject's eyes are always in sharp focus. This capability is a game-changer for portrait photography and any situation that demands pinpoint accuracy. Cinematic video excellence. For videographers, the Nikon Z90 opens new creative possibilities. It captures 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering buttery smooth footage that's perfect for cinematic storytelling. Whether you're recording action-packed adventures or serene moments, the Z90 ensures every frame looks stunning. The inclusion of 10-bit N-Log and hybrid log gamma, HLG, modes gives professionals the flexibility to color grade their videos like a pro. This camera is built to meet the demands of filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators who want their work to stand out. Built to conquer any environment. Durability is often an overlooked aspect of a great camera, but the Nikon Z90 makes no compromises here. Its rugged magnesium alloy body is engineered to handle tough environments. Whether you're braving a rain-soaked forest, trekking through a dusty desert, or enduring the biting cold of a mountaintop, this camera is built to perform. Thanks to its comprehensive weather sealing, dust and moisture are no longer a concern. You can focus entirely on your creative pursuits without worrying about your gear's reliability. Intuitive design for seamless creativity. The Nikon Z90's design is built with user experience in mind. Its high-resolution 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen offers an intuitive way to navigate settings, review shots, and compose complex scenes. This flexibility makes it easier to frame your shots from virtually any angle, giving you creative freedom like never before. The electronic viewfinder adds another layer of convenience. Offering a crystal-clear display that mirrors what your eyes see, it provides an immersive shooting experience that feels incredibly natural. Unmatched lens compatibility. Versatility is a hallmark of the Nikon Z90. Its compatibility with the Z-mount lens system allows photographers to unlock the full potential of Nikon's legendary optics. Whether you need a wide-angle lens for landscapes or a telephoto lens for distant subjects, the Z90 is ready to adapt to any creative challenge. This adaptability ensures that you're equipped for any scenario, whether you're capturing sweeping vistas or intimate close-ups. With Nikon's trusted lens ecosystem, you'll achieve remarkable sharpness, color accuracy, and true-to-life results. Effortless connectivity for modern creators. In today's connected world, the Nikon Z90 understands the importance of seamless sharing and workflow management. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transferring photos and videos to your devices is a breeze. Whether you're out in the field or working in a studio, You can quickly share your creations and keep your workflow smooth. This connectivity ensures that your work is always ready for immediate sharing, whether it's for social media, client presentations, or online portfolios. Elevate your creative vision. The Nikon Z90 is more than just a camera. It's an extension of your creative vision. Its unmatched capabilities, robust build, and user-friendly design make it a standout in the competitive world of photography and videography. If you're looking to elevate your craft, push creative boundaries, and capture moments like never before, the Nikon Z90 is your ultimate companion. From its advanced autofocus system to its durable construction and cutting-edge video features, this camera is designed to meet the needs of both amateurs and professionals. Thank you for watching, and as always, welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, exciting tech updates, and all things photography. If you're as excited about the Nikon Z90 as I am, let me know in the comments below.